Hi guys, I'll be teaching you guys how to make slime, so let's get started. So guys, you'll need this any type of Colgate. I'm using this Total Colgate. You will need something to mix in, something to mix with, and salt and glue. So guys, I just put the salt and the glue. You just need to mix it. So guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe down below and leave a comment down below and thumbs up down below. Bye!